Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Sasha with you. You're watching the YouTube channel Trading Champs. And I am here with the weekly gold analysis and see what moves we can be expecting in this upcoming week. We have, again, closed bullish and we're not able to break this range that we were into. So in my last weekly analysis, I identified and explained the weekly chart to everybody very well that we are still making lower lows and we are still making higher highs. Price is trying to concentrate and congest in this area. And we are within this range of 1830, 33-ish area, all the way to this range, the support that we see here to 1761 area. And if we come down deeper, we can also see 1748, 47-ish area in this wick. So basically, weekly is making higher highs so far, and we are in this channel. I am going to daily time frame right now, and let's discuss what happened with the Fed meeting that happened last time. When he was speaking, he wanted to control the inflation, and he told us that he wants to bring it back to 2%. But we all know if the higher interest rate is there, that we could be looking more bearish moves down. And if they cannot control inflation, then it will be hurting US dollar quite a lot. And then money will be transferring to maybe gold and other assets. And all investors are already buying gold in that case for upcoming recession that I see here. They were trying to buy to the top side and further from the lowers that those were formed here, all the way buying on gold. That's been happening very recently. And USD, the world reserve currency, and if that gets hurt, then we can be looking at gold breaking to the high side. And on a smaller time frame, let's see what could be expected on Monday. So these are the levels that I'm looking into. Very simple, very easy. We are in this range. We have already discussed earlier all of that we were making higher highs, we were making lower lows after that. So these were all the higher high positions and higher low position that we made a lower high and then lower low position. We created a beautiful support in this area. In the previous videos, I've discussed all of these, and then we have taken a buy position here, buy position here, buy position here, and on the way back recently, last week, of course, after this 1815 buy, it was stopped out. So I took my runner out when it just retested this area in this one before coming down deeper. When it made a lower low, I took my position and partials out of this position. I still have these two in place right now. I'm waiting for it to come up and show me how it wants to react to 1823 level over here. So I am expecting gold to show me reaction in this order block here right now. So if it breaks this 1823 level, then we see that 1835 could be the next resistance. And I'm going to see the reaction in 1835 area, somewhere here for gold. If it gives me rejection not in this area, then I'm going to look for a sell setup here. Otherwise, I'm going to be looking for a reaction in this area and see how it goes and take a sell setup from this area. We know, all of us very, very well, very clearly, that we have been in this area rejected from this side many, many times. And this area is expanding all from 27, 25-ish, all the way to 35 area. These are only the wicks. That's why I'm saying 35 could be your next resistance to the top side. Now, when we are discussing top, let's discuss this furthermore, that if this area is broken again as well, then we could be watching 1850, 1860, and higher highs in this area. Okay, although this is going to be the high for this channel that we are into right now. So let's come back to where we are right now. My moves are going to be watching for reaction in here, take a sell setup. If it comes back down, give me 1815, crosses below this, then I am expecting at least let's say 1800-ish level here, 1810 first. That is important to the breakup structure retest here. Price never came back and retested this throughout this move. It came to 1812, but it did not tap into this breakup structure in this order block here. So I'm looking at some reaction in this area, further down 1800 area. Below 1800, because this was one of the lows that it created earlier, and below 1800, if prices started closing below this area on 4-hour time frame, we are going to make a lower low. Then on the retest, we can be taking further lows and then see if it is going to come back and anything is going to close below 17, 90, 90, 90, 97, 95-ish area, somewhere, or all of this order block that could be, again, ranged into. Okay, so keeping in mind, I am expecting nothing much to happen, I must say, before the next FOMC meeting. And I don't see any big news until then as well. Until then, there could be just ranges that we will be into. So I will also suggest to you all to please make sure that you do not hold any position for too long until you have a clear breakout above this range or break below this range. And then we have this range, and then we have this area that we can all the way come back and test into. Similarly to the top side, we have 50, we have 60, and then we have 70, 75 area that we can be looking into. If the economists decide to keep the USD value high, then we will see gold will be dumping down. And I think this upside and downside will be decided before FOMC meeting in March. So the two major levels you have to be looking into is very, very important. Keep an eye on the breakout from this 1830, 35-ish area, and then you can expect 1900, 1950, even 1950, or because all of that area on a high time frame has not been tested. So here you are. These levels need retest here, here, and then here. Okay, these levels to the bottom side needs retest here, here, and then you can say here, here. All of these even further lower than that here. All of this area is still pending. They need retest. This is what my 2 cents are on gold. And these are the levels, these are the moves that I'm expecting on Monday. All my media links are in the description for Instagram, for the Telegram group, for Discord. So please feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Keep an eye on the Telegram channel, the general one. I usually post my gold analysis over there. And I called out this sell from 1813 on my Instagram before the move happened, that I'm going to be looking for in this area for a gold sell. And then we got 120-ish pip down. Many messages were there on my Instagram appreciating the help, and I'll keep it coming wherever I can. And I'm doing my own Zoom sessions with my private group. They're very happy, and we trade together, which is amazing. And similarly, I try to help others as well. Thank you so much for watching this analysis. Hope it helps, and see you. Take care. Bye-bye.